Hello everyone, I'm so glad to see you back. Next to me we have our new car. Yes, finally we got a car. I was looking for Audi A6, but we end up with BMW GT5 Gran Turismo. Yeah, 3.5 liter turbo diesel biturbo with 220 kilowatts. Yeah, a lot of fun with this car. And let's start with first mod. I don't like this window tint, it's way too light, and this film on this window was already damaged. I already peeled it outside, it was very cold, and I have a lot of glue left on the window. And today in this video we will remove the rest of the film from the entire car, and we will go to window tinters and they will install 5% film on this car. So let's start. Our main tools, what we're gonna use is heat gun and scraper. I don't know how old this window film is, but let's cross the fingers. I hope we're gonna remove them in like 5 minutes. Coming off very nicely. Our goal is not to leave glue behind this film. As you see already we have some glue left. It means we need more heat. Oh, we just added more heat and glue doesn't stay on the window anymore. See? So, okay, I tried, but we still have a lot of glue left on the window, and we'll need to use some glue removal or just a lot of soap with scraper. Okay, I hope other window will be cleaner. Okay, let's do the same on this side. Someone did a really good job long time ago. Really hard to pick the edge. Okay, again we have a lot of glue. It's gonna be a lot of fun cleaning all this glue. It is what it is. By the way guys, this is my first time removing window tint from the car. Yeah, I'm not professional. If I'm doing something wrong, please let me know in the comments below the best way to remove window tint. Yeah, because I don't know how to do it right. Okay, sides are done, and now is the time for rear window. To do that, we need to open the boot. You see? Number plate is from France. From France. Yeah, this car is from France. Came all the way to Lithuania. Okay, to do that, we need to remove these plastics. Important to find a spot from where to start and which way to pull. Yeah, it's not the first time for this car. Clips was already broken because there's no clip there. Okay. That was scary. You know what? Our tip with heat gun was completely trash. I pulled it cold without leaving single glue dot on the window. So guys, don't trust me. That was funny. It's here. Now it's sweet. Completely clean window. Nice. So guys, that was epic fail. I thought that I pulled that film and all glue came off together with the film, but I was wrong. I touched the glass and I felt that something is on it. And yeah, entire glue is on the glass. Now I just try to put that piece of film back on the window, heat it, and now I'm trying to heat and pull it, and at least I can lift some glue, because not all glue comes off, but at least you know, some spots comes off. Yeah, you know, I messed up badly. You know, shit happens. Yeah, I should stick with PPF. Okay, let's leave this window for later, and let's try to clean the glue from the window on this side. I don't have glue removal, but I have iridescent surface cleaner mixed with isopropanol. I do not recommend to spray it on the panel. Okay. Comes off very, very easy. Of course, after cleaning all this glue, I will need to use a lot of water to remove this kind of glue particles, because it's gonna be a lot of them all around edges, behind the rubbers, and I want to clean them very well. Because tomorrow morning I'm going to a professional window tinter. I'm gonna tint all the windows. I'm not gonna do that by myself. I already have a book in my car. I know this guy very well and he's very good window tinter. That's why I will trust him with my car. Because I didn't trust myself with window tinting. As I see, this iridescent surface cleaner mixed with isopropanol works very well. Of course it will take time, but it's gonna be alright. Okay, this is our worst window. Glue is everywhere. Let's spray it. Surface cleaner. I have this tiny scraper. It comes off straight away. But here is gonna be a lot of glue. Yeah. Woohoo! I don't want to push very hard. Too much cleaner. I don't want to push this scraper too hard because we have this kind of wires, which is like window heating system. I don't want to scrape them off. Stinks a lot. Okay, I just found a new way. Actually, I haven't found a new way. Tinter just recommended me to use a lot of dishwasher soap and sponge and just apply like that. Oh, straight to my eye. It's not my day. Okay, let's check. Let's check. Oppa! Beautiful! Nice. I like this technique. Okay guys, we're done with removal. Now let's wait for next day and I will take this car to window tinter and I hope I will be able to film the process of tinting. See you there! So guys, we just arrived at Alta's here in Klaipėda where Darius is tinting our windows. Rear window is done and now it's time for sides. Passenger side is done and now it's the time for driver side.